Okay, hi guys, welcome back. So, new problem for today. So, you may have seen in the last video that the previous owner had only serviced this bike about 1,000 kilometers ago. So, do I trust him? Do I not trust him? I kind of trust him. He had some receipts and stuff like that. So, I'm thinking it doesn't need much servicing at the moment. But what it does need is a bit of TLC. So obviously we washed the bike and now prepared it. Probably going to change the oil as a precaution, but one of the issues with the bike is that it's been over on its side. And the crash bar on the other side has been dented a little bit. And I was going to take the crash bars off and get them painted, probably orange, because I think it goes with the theme of the bike. But the crash bar's actually been pushed in and it's touching the bodywork on the other side. And I'll show you that. But what I was told reliably from the internet is that if you attach some ratchet straps to the bar, attach it to something solid, you can probably just yank it out. So, I'm gonna give that a go and see if that works. Let me show you what's happening. So here we are on the other side of the bike, and you can see that there's some witness marks of some scuffs here. It's an adventure bike after all. It's been dropped. I'm probably going to drop it, and it's the best part of 200 kilos, so I don't blame anyone for losing their balance on it. It is what it is. But this has got some kind of like scuffing here on the bars itself, a little bit of surface rust, which I'll clean off and then have it repowder coated. It's got a really nice finish actually. It's a very hardy finish, but it's touching the bodywork here. So what I'm going to do is put some straps around it, attach it to something solid, and the kids' swing set behind me is actually tubular steel, pretty strong, sturdy stuff. Attach it and just sort of yank it over a bit, see if it works. So I'm not sure if it'll work. Got some ratchet straps here. Got one of these sort of tie down things, which I'm going to attach in two different spots. And hopefully I'll be able to yank it over and create some space. If not, I might just leave it as it is, or most likely, me being me, probably maybe get some new ones, but we'll see, because it's going to go down again. So I might as well just repair it and see how we go. All right, wish me luck, let's go. Hot out here, so it's a lovely 27 degrees, but it's gonna get a lot hotter, so I better get on with this right now. And I've got another surprise for myself later. Right, here we go. There we go, that's pretty much attached. Right, leaning the bike over, trying to get the weight on the... Oh, it's working. Well, there's a gap there now. That's good. Let's see if we can give it a bit of a pull. Let's go forward a bit. Do not damage the swing set. Don't want to be paying for that. Aha, a gap. What do you know? The internet is telling the truth. Touch that one. Don't want to crack anything. I'm actually worried about putting strain on the actual frame, but seems pretty tough. So let's just be gentle. Nice bit of damage there, but that's not bad. So I want to get all these panniers and side bits off. I want to clean under here. Panniers? Side panels. I think I don't need to take this off. I think I just need to take the central section off, give it a good clean down. and then reattach the glove box area properly, which they failed to do, and that's probably why this is all flappy and loose. Right, see how that goes. You can see all the scuff marks here. Right, well, it's not touching anymore. That's the number one thing. Right, it's not touching, and they've got a nice gap. It's going to touch if it falls down again, and I'll give that a wallop with a big hammer and see what happens. You see the gap and the scuff marks? Should I even bother painting it, really? It's an adventure bike. Every scratch tells a tale. You can see from that side versus this side, this is still further in. I think what I'll do, yeah, when it's off, I'll beat that more flat, so this goes in, and then that means this should come out a little bit. Oh, and I can adjust it there, look, as well. That's great. So there's adjustment in it. We'll give it a go, but I don't want to do any more than that. I'm going to claim that as a victory. Sun's about to come out, so it's going to get really hot. So I think I've won that one.